Hey YouTube, we're here with the Champion 10302 generator. This is the first time we've got it out of the box, so why don't you come on over and check out some of the cool things I noticed. Okay, so on the front panel we got our 120 volt 20 amp, 120 volt 30 amp, circuit breakers, parallel capability, some cool lights, eco mode. You know, I think that has to do with the inverter part of it, and a neutral floating. Not sure what that does, so talk in the comments. Now, you'll also notice on the back of this thing, I thought this was pretty cool. We got some heat shielding under the gas tank. We have a little, I don't know, some kind of nut on the bottom of the carburetor, a fuel valve. The manual describes this as a carbon filter of some sort. Okay. And I think all the fancy inverter stuff lives in here. Guys, we're going to start the generator up. We're going to run a combined 30 amps of power tools on this 30 amp plug. And then we're going to check out the signal on an oscilloscope. Choke in. And now you can see on the oscilloscope we have a clean sine wave. Alright? 15 amps on. Alright, so you can't really see it in the sunlight, but the frequencies stay between 59 and 61 hertz, and there were no big voltage spikes or dips. So I think we're still within about 115 to 120 volts.